Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to solve a Rubik's Cube without even learning it. So first, you need to download an app called Cube Solver. Over here, right here. Can you see it? So first, go to Play Store or App Store and search Cube Solver. Okay, if you don't know the spelling, I can tell you. Cubesolver. Search. Okay, then this will come. Install it and then open it. Okay, you need to allow everything. Then open it. It will come like this. What? So I have to tell you something. Wait a second. I'm back. I was just getting my Rubik's Cube. So, if you have a 3x3 cube, get it. I need to scramble my cube first. Yeah. Then, if you want to solve it, solve. Okay. You have to literally just. What is the situation of your cube? Like this, you have to just put the colors in order. Like this is like this in my cube. Next, it is orange here. Then that. Then blue here and green here. You have to like just copy paste the cube over here. What the heck is this? I forgot. Oh my god, how did I not notice this? Okay. And I don't want to be disturbed. Okay. Above it, it's like this. And this here, and this. Like that, you have to make it every color like that. Not same as me. How your cube it is. I'm not showing the whole thing, so wait. And I've done mine. So then you have to click the solve button. Okay, then it will tell the moves. You have to wait. You have to, if you want to solve it right now, you have to press this button. This button. Okay, I clicked it. So now it's starting to tell like this, 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 that, this, 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 and then it's solved. So, and just like that, my cube is fully solved. It's completely free and completely working. So, if you want to create a pattern, you can also create a pattern. Like press on the create a pattern, then confirm. Okay, then what the heck. So then if you solved, exit the cube 3x3. Okay, I'm telling right now the add in, and go to the 3x3 again and go to the patterns, and here are they. What the heck? Oh, this is how to solve it. Okay, sorry. It's like this one is so beautiful. Look, I'm teaching you how to make it. Okay, I'm not teaching you, I'm just showing you. It actually works. That these wait a minute. I just want to set the time to 1 sec. Okay, and these. Oh my god, this is so fast. Oh, okay. Okay, it's done. Oh my god. I looked at my cube. Oh my god, it literally works. So that's how it is. You can also do it with other types of cubes, like this pocket cube, mirror cube, the 3x cube, and these also. All of these you can solve. 5x5 and a 4x4. Oh my god. So it's enough for today. Please subscribe. I know only like no one of you subscribe. So can you please subscribe? I'm like 78 subscribers only. We need to reach 1 million. So it's enough for today. Please subscribe and please like and share. Then okay, bye bye.